Hello, everyone. Tony Briceño here on behalf of Mitchell Community College and the Electronic Engineering Technology Department. So I decided to take a little bit of time while I don't have any classes going on today to give you a quick little tour of our lab because we made some big changes over the summer. So what we did is we combined all of our lecture and lab space into one. And so we've got everything moved up here close to the whiteboard, as you can see. That way we can easily discuss stuff as a group while we're working on projects. Currently we have 12 fully stocked lab stations and we hope to move it up to 16 since we made more space. We've decided to bring in some extra technology to make it easier to share information. So we've got 2 large screen TVs to help share information. And as you can see, all of our electronics lab stations are right up front to where we can easily work with you. But we also decided to pull our PLC lab stuff and put it up here in the electronics lab because we had a little bit of space because of this renovation. And it pulled it out of our electrical lab, which made space down there and made a better learning environment. So here, students will work on learning the basics and some advanced PLC stuff using little trainers and these more advanced trainers that our instructor Lee Troutman has built. At each lab station, we've got a computer for looking up data sheets and searching the internet for pertinent information. We have oscilloscopes, signal generators, power supplies, multimeters. We also have a fully stocked solder station at each one of these with an intelligent solder station that can monitor its heat. We also have some microscopes at about half the stations for doing surface mount components that are harder to see with the naked eye. Lighted magnifiers for being able to easily read the small stuff because, as you may or may not know, electronics can be really small. Then we also got some specialized working stations for full fabrication of things. So we can build a circuit board from scratch. We have a CNC milling machine. We have a manual pick and place machine for surface mount components, plus a soldering rework station, and in the future, a reflow oven. We also have some communication stuff and spectrum analyzers and digital analyzers that we're hoping to implement within the next year. But that's a quick tour of our lab just to show you what we have in here and what our capabilities are. You'll learn all kinds of stuff in this lab, taking any one of the numerous electrical or electronic courses here at Mitchell Community College. So I hope to see you here in the lab one day. If not, just feel free to reach out to me via email. All my contact information is here on the Mitchell website. Thank you and have a good day.